Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have some electronic scissors here. I'm going to show you these. Let me open this up with my machete here. Because that's how I roll. It comes in a nice case. You can see a nice little neoprene kind of case. And we'll open it up and you'll be seeing it as I do. So this is what it looks like here. It comes with a charger that's going to charge from USB to USB-C. Comes with some instructions. And then this is the device right here. So look at this. So this is the way it works here. If you've seen these or used these before, you push this little button here to the side, and then you can squeeze it here, and you can see, maybe here, you can see that little wheel is, it's got a multitude of sides on it. It's probably like 8 or 10 sides. And then it pulls it through. So let's see, like if we have something like this, like cardboard, we want to cut. So if we want to cut this down, we can just go like that. Slice it like butter. Wow, that was pretty good. Look at how nice of a line that made. So instead of trying to use like a not an exact knife, a blade, a razor, you can just use this. So you can cut this into strips, like we were making some strips. And it's a lot safer than using some blade that's just out there. And look at how nice it made it. It really cuts it into nice, clean strips. So really good. So if you have a bunch of boxes that you get, I get all sorts of packages. So this will be good for me. Just clean things up so I can put them in the garbage. And I guess you can get a little hook and hang it up with that too. And it's VLOXO, it's comfortable, got a good grip, and rechargeable makes it nice so you don't have to mess with batteries all the time. Thumbs up.